how far now? We start now. I get complaints.
Basically, we just got here and then I'm shooting a video here for MC Mute, my guy. I know you'd have probably seen 1 or 2 videos I've done with him. So he's my guy and then I'm doing a video for him. So this is the location where we're shooting. It's actually inside, so I just came to do a quick one here to tell you guys what's happening, how we're shooting and everything. So I'm doing a video for him and then we're rolling. So basically, I'm here, just letting you know I'm here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you've not subscribed before, please subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the share button, share it to your friends. Just imagine this is like a walk of nature and everything. So yeah, so I've not been cold, I've not been fine for a while now, so that's why you can hear like my voice is kind of like shaky, kind of like there's like kata and all that. So basically that's why you can hear what you're hearing right now. So I'm getting out gradually, and this is like my first shoot after my inner. So make sure you subscribe, like I said, make sure you hit the like button and all the other stuff. So catch you guys B-roll or something, or enjoy the video or something. I don't know, B-roll, enjoy the video or something. Cool.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed before, and hit the like button, hit the bell button, so that when I put up a new post, you're gonna see it. And do well to watch my other videos, and then also make sure you watch this to the end, because you're gonna get value. You're gonna see stuff, music, like I told you guys, I'm a musical guy, and then I'm doing a video for someone. So please make sure you watch it to the ending, and you're gonna get value for stuff. So catch you in the next video or something. I don't know, B-roll, or I don't know. Catch you guys.
I know you think you could do too. I know you think you feel it's true. It's a little things in life that I feel.
Whoa, son! So guys, this is the end of today's video. We're through shooting and I'm going out. Sorry about the sun, it's actually too much. So I'm running out. I'm going to call a keke or pay to take me back home, but take me back to the office so I can continue what I was doing. So guys, thank you for watching. This is where we say goodbye. This is why I say goodbye. So catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. That's all I can say. So I'm going home now. I'm leaving where we came to do a shoot and all that. So catch you guys in the next video. Stay well, stay blessed, and stay stylish. So again, make sure you subscribe, make sure you watch, make sure you share, make sure you tell your friends to subscribe and all that. Catch you guys. Bye.